All right, this is number 20. Solve the equation using the quadratic formula. So the first thing we need to remember about quadratic formula is that we have to get everything equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. And now I get it equals 0. So now I'm ready to use my formula. My formula is x equals the opposite of b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. So I'm going to go ahead and just label my a's and b's and c's. My a here is 1, not 1x, but 1. My b is not 2x, just 2. And my c is a negative 9. And now I just got to plug those into the formula. Opposite of b would be negative 2. And then b squared, I always like to square the number in my head or in my calculator, but know that b squared, this guy right here, he's always going to be a positive, no matter whether b is negative or positive. Minus 4 times a times c, all over. And then I like to do the 2 times a kind of in my head or on the calculator. 2 times a in this case is just 2. Now I'm going to grab a calculator, because that's really what you need here, and I'm going to type in the top part. I'm going to type in this, the plus sign, and all of this into one line, and then I'm going to do it with a negative sign. Okay, I got a 4 point, they said the nearest tenth, that's 2 decimals, so if you want to go 4.3, that's okay, or tenth is 1 decimal, 4.3 over 2. Or when I do it with the negative sign, I get negative 8.3 over 2, and then I just have to divide both of those by 2. Get negative 4.2 here, 1.6, 4.16, 4.2, just rounded. And then 4.3 divided by 2 is 2.15, so you could put 2.2 or 2.15. I won't be too picky on how you round.